Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll need administrator rights to change system services. If you aren't elevated, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Once ready, press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter to open the Services console. Scroll or type the first letters to find Diagnostic Policy Service and the Windows Troubleshooting Service. You're taking the first direct step. Do not close the console. Keep it visible so you can change startup types and control service state in the following steps. With the service selected, right-click and choose Properties to change startup type to Automatic or Automatic, Delayed Start, so it runs reliably on boot. Make sure the Log On tab uses the local system account unless your group policy requires a different service account. This prevents permission errors. If the service is stopped, click Start Now. If it's running, click Restart to apply property changes. Once done, check dependencies so you can start any prerequisite services immediately if prompted. After adjusting settings, run a built-in troubleshooter to confirm functionality. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Troubleshoot, and run a relevant tool. If the service won't start, open Event Viewer and inspect application and services logs for specific error codes so you know why. Note errors verbatim. If corruption appears likely, run sfc/scano and dism restore health from an elevated command prompt. One key tip: reboot after changes and recheck logs before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.